from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle. Today's video, right now, I'm giving you guys a tour of what my house currently looks like. This room is never really bad at all. Over here, I have some stuff on the table because we've been working on our master bedroom redo, and those are the old curtains that I really think I want to go in our upstairs room, and then that's the old television with the stand to it. And then over to the right side here, I have some extra decor pieces. So just things that I've got to kind of move around. So if we go down the hallway here, this laundry room, I had a ton of laundry to do this day. I didn't even get to show you guys. I probably could have done a laundry motivation video, honestly. The floor is disgusting. I don't know. I tried to zoom in to show you guys that part. Heading back here to the bedrooms and the bathroom just really needed a quick wipe down. Asher's bed, just make the bed, dirty laundry over there. Here in Jensen's room, he just needs his bed made, some additional toys over here, just kind of stuff like that. Really easy kind of, pick up. Then I move in here to my kitchen and the keeping area. This is like our main, this is like the heart of the home. Like, it is where we do everything. You can see the countertops have crumbs. I don't have too many dishes today, and that Ninja FOODI over there, guys, is awesome. That's why it's out. We were dehydrating fruit overnight. It is amazing. If you guys want to see anything like that, let me know. Over here, there's just toys. The bed has a lot of hair on it because we just bathed Bentley, so he's having a little bit of shedding. Obviously, Jensen has his toys. So I'm going to try to do this as quick as I can. Jensen is at his first day of preschool, so come along with me while we get this all cleaned up. I've got about 2 hours, so I'm going to see how much I can get done.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you.
You guys will definitely see a lot of my fur babies in this video because although none of the children were home at the time, my collie Bentley and my dachshund Corasu just wanted to be right next to me. So they come running in and out quite a bit. And I get another really cute shot of Bentley as he snuggles up to this bunny that we bought him over the weekend. But this is just going to be a quick little tidy. I know that in the Fly Lady system, this is called like a weekly home blessing. And I do this a lot on Monday mornings just to kind of get my house back in order, back on track. I catch up with laundry because I just don't like to do much over the weekends when everybody is here. Is anybody else the same?
When it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide.
Jensen's room was really easy. He did not have that much laundry. I just used these tiny little baskets that I got from Target because honestly, except like when it's a weekend or if Jeff's on vacation, I really try and stick to, and I've been really good about doing a load of laundry just every single day. And we have a really nice sink in our laundry room, so a lot of times I'll use that as like the place to put laundry. It just kind of happens that way. So I try to stay on top of it, so I just don't ever really need anything larger than those little bins that I use for Asher and Jensen.
Pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but
I ended up not being able to mop in this video. I ran out of time. I had to go get Jensen from preschool. He had a wonderful first day. He loved it. And look at my sweet little Bentley. Guys, oh my goodness. He is so much like Lassie. If you guys have ever seen the show, Lassie, I am in love with him. We had a collie before him, Margie. And she was like, honestly, just the best dog ever. Now, they do have issues with shedding, but a boy dog actually sheds 50% less than the girl or something around there. And that is for hormonal changes. And that's why in the real Lassie, they actually used a boy dog, but they called Lassie a girl, but she was actually a boy in the show. So I thought that was really interesting, and that's why we decided to get a boy this time around, but he is just the cutest.
you're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding
like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love and leave me breathless, breathless.
This table is like my favorite piece of furniture in the house. We got this about 6 years ago from the Pottery Barn outlet. I'm not sure if they still sell it. If they do, I will definitely make sure to link it down below. It not only holds items, so even if you don't have kids, if you wanted to store like throw blankets or things that you just don't want people to see when they come over, you can put anything in there. And then when it lifts up, it's actually a TV tray. So you can pull it up to you and it comes up to the height as if you had like a TV tray. So that is awesome. I eat there sometimes. I like work on the computer there. It's just very like good for a lot of different purposes. So I will definitely link it down below. It was just a little dirty, so I wanted to vacuum out all of the like kinetic sand and stuff that's just kind of spilled down in there, crumbs and things like that.
Inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low.
I just wanted to come on here real quick and reintroduce myself if you're new. My name is Kristen and this is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my little dachshund Cora. If you guys are new here and you love videos that are cleaning, decluttering, homemaking, anything that talks about health anxiety and OCD, I would love for you guys to join me here. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like and notification bell so that you don't miss a video from me, and leave me a comment down below. I would love for you guys to join me here.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
There's little Cora Sue again, and then here comes Bentley. They just cannot, they just want to know what I'm doing. It's so cute. But it felt really good to get cleaned out underneath the table and the couch. I do not do this every Monday for my weekly home blessing. I only do it when I feel like there's a lot of stuff under there. So this is just something, I know it seems like it's deep cleaning, but for me with a toddler and dogs, it really happens probably more often because stuff just gets caught up under there. So it's nice to have it nice and finished.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't.
Bentley has been really good about not shedding like our other girl collie. Like I said before about how the girls shed more. But when we bathe him, it seems like just more hair starts to come out. So I try to take him outside and brush him really good. But here, I just wanted to get it off his bed so it just didn't look bad. So the vacuum kind of worked, but you'll see I come in here with a lint roller and that works a lot better.
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into you.
Now that I have gotten the laundry all flipped over, I actually did 2 more loads after this that I did not put on camera for the day. I'm just putting the little bit of dishes that I had and starting the dishwasher so that that will get done before dinner time because I actually forgot to run it last night. And again, I just don't like to clean. I get out of routine when everybody's home, like over the weekend.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a man.
All right, I am going to wrap up today's video with just turning the dishwasher on and wiping the countertops down. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and definitely leave me a comment down below. I love getting to talk to you guys and know you guys. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. I felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than